Guys, don't forget to pick up the phone, give me a call 1300 TMB Show to organise your free financial thumbprint report. You can also go to www.tmbshow.com.au.
Welcome back to the Mortgage Busters show. Adrian, wasn't that great with Karina?
Yep, fantastic stuff.
Just fantastic to have her with us on the stage, on the set.
Very exciting.
Talking the talk and all that fundraising. It's just going to be fantastic.
It's going to do some good things.
Absolutely. I mean, she's right. Teachers spend a lot of time giving out. It's about time they got something back.
That's right.
Yeah.
And it has worked very well.
It has worked and will continue to work, and we can't wait until next year when we go full bore into it and we've got just, we're doing session after session after session with schools.
Regional, maybe.
It's our third segment of the show, and always on our third segment we have
our guru.
Steve Hudson, our guru, finance guru. Welcome, Steve.
Gentlemen, how are we?
Very good.
That's good.
I see you've kept the mo.
Yeah, I've kept the mo for Movember. It's a good cause.
Absolutely.
Just to recap to the viewers out there, Movember is about men's health, and it's calling out for mental health and also about cancer. So call out to all the gentlemen out there. If you're over 40, you should be having your blood counts done for prostate cancer. And that's what Movember's all about. Additionally,
now, can I just ask one question about that? You didn't think to grow the upper portions there?
Well, the upper portion, I could probably take some transplants and put them up there, but I don't think it would look too good.
I think it suits you. I really do.
But it is coming off, but the conversation will go on for another couple of weeks just to keep that focus on men's health.
Absolutely.
We just on that, one of our viewers contacted Darren, who contacted one of our guests here, which was Lawrence Hugo from Mediation Credit Services.
Yes.
And sadly, Darren was diagnosed with liver cancer, or is, and Lawrence was able to work with Darren to get all his credit cards paid off, zero, by the bank. They took the debt down to zero. Isn't that fantastic?
Yeah, wonderful.
So call out to Darren and your family. I know it's a tough time, but it's great that the Mortgage Busters show has been able to have some impact on your life.
That is such a great result. Fantastic.
So look, on a more brighter note, and let's get back to having a real gay show. There's two segments beforehand that we had with Karina was just brilliant.
Yeah, let's all be gay.
Yeah.
Happy and gay.
Happy and gay. Oh, that's
so we will be talking about the Thumbprint report. There's been some great feedback on that over the last couple of weeks.
Absolutely.
Karina's been getting a lot of phone calls on that.
And what should people do if they haven't done this already?
Oh, well, they should do it.
Absolutely.
Give us Adrian, what's the call?
1300 TMB Show.
Well, there you go. So, to all the viewers out there, the Thumbprint report, as we bang on about it, it is an opportunity for you to have a look at your position currently financially and take a snapshot of it, and then you can make a plan to get yourself into a better position. So that's what the Thumbprint's about.
And it's
that
free.
really has helped many clients. It's it's put together, puts all the numbers in the one place, but it acts as a springboard from where a client or a viewer or whoever can make things happen and reach goals.
Yeah. And on that, we'll just...
and as Adrian said, it's free.
Yeah, it's free. It's free. We'll have a whiteboard moment to see how we can improve and help you to pay off your mortgage. The old chunking that we introduced into the show many weeks ago. When the teachers, we're talking to teachers, we'll be helping them in that regard too, to pay off their mortgage and put them in a better position, and at the same time raising funds for their school. And of course, it's not limited to schools either.
Well, parents,
but sporting clubs also can probably take advantage of something along that lines.
Definitely, yeah.
So you're going to look at chunking again?
Chunking?
And you know what? We've had a lot of feedback on how good this chunking has been. It's so simple, so easy, and it's such a great idea. So let's have a look.
Doing it.
Yeah.
Let's have a look.
Yeah. Let's do that. Okay, so if the viewers will remember, we'll take a position of a 450K, K for 1,000, Greg, is that right?
Yeah, correct.
When we sit down with a client, particularly once you've had the opportunity to go through a Thumbprint report, we look at how much you can pay off in a given period of term. And typically it would be a 3-year period. It could be 4, could be 5, could be whatever. just remind me about the whiteboard. We saw a client the other day, and they actually had a little whiteboard for me to write, which is brilliant. So nice little joke there. Had owned his whiteboards. So in this case here, we'll just take a scenario where someone could particularly pay off, say, 150K over a period of 3 years. So we say to that couple or that person that on there, that 150 we would make a principal and interest loan and variable. And we would have an offset account with that. Now, offset account, why do we have an offset account?
Oh, absolutely, to take advantage of lower interest.
Well, that's right. We can then utilise the offset account for any money that's sitting in that offset account. We'll just put an offset account here. So if you've got 10K sitting in your offset account, your interest is only being charged on 140 at that particular date, because interest is charged daily. So from that perspective, it gives you an opportunity to reduce your interest payments. So we say that's how we're going to structure it for 150. So that leaves us with another loan, which would be either fixed. We could fix it, K's for 1,000. So we could fix that if you wanted to, or it could be still variable. With interest rates the way they are at the moment, there's some very attractive fixed interest rates for 3 years.
Or you could have it just interest only too.
It would be interest only.
Interest only.
So so it'd be interest only. So where it was principal interest here, we're saying interest only here. We're saying fixed or variable. Makes no difference. Okay.
Yep.
So
So just to clear, you've got a $450,000 commitment, which you've broken up into 150 and 300.
That's right.
Yeah,
so we've got two loans. We've got one loan, two loans.
Yeah,
okay?
you've broken it in two.
Into two. And the reason why we do that is to give focus on the 150 or 120 or 90 or 60, whatever the number's going to be. And being interest only, anything that was going to go into that fixed portion is now paid into there. So everything is then focused on paying off that 150.
And it works.
And it works.
It works.
It works. It works very well. So that's what chunking's all about, viewers. So
And
take
whatever,
advantage of it.
it's whatever you give your attention to happens. Like
Absolutely.
If you set a goal and you give a lot of attention and focus to a particular goal, it will happen. It happens. All the forces in the universe conspire to make that goal happen.
Absolutely.
And that's what happens there, and it's happening right now to many people.
So viewers, don't forget your Thumbprint report. Go to the website, which is
www.tmbshow.com.au.
beautiful. So regardless of your teachers, schools, even sporting clubs could take advantage of this. So
absolutely.
the Thumbprint report. Been a great show, guys.
Thanks, Steve, for a wonderful gay time.
Gay and happy.
Thanks, viewers. You've been watching the TMB show, the Mortgage Buster show. Thanks to Karina for coming in and explaining our fundraising capability and working with schools, teachers, sporting clubs, whatever. Thanks again, Steve. Thanks again, Adrian. We'll see you again same time next week.